Number 1. Husqvarna. Husqvarna is a white dirt bike. Husqvarna is usually in enduro races. You will probably know this dirt bike when you surpassed 10. Number 2. In the number 2 spot is Beta. Beta is a red dirt bike. Number 3. Mako. Mako is usually a red dirt bike with a yellow number plate. Number 4. Biltico. Biltico is usually red and with a yellow number plate, or blue with a yellow number plate. Number 5. Razor. Razor is usually blue. The Razor dirt bike is for beginners. It's an electric dirt bike. Number 6. The last spot on this list is for the dirt bike called TM Racing. TM Racing is usually blue. Hi, go subscribe to Dylan and I's channel. It's called Fire on Ice. And follow my Instagram at MitchFries110. If you're new here, drop a subscribe and a like. I will appreciate it very much.